To get a Youda integration for your Teamtailor account, first you need to head to the marketplace, which can be found in the top right hand corner of the screen. Here, search for Youda, select the corresponding result, and click Activate. For the integration to work, you will need an API token, which must be requested from us directly. Once you have one of these, you can paste it in, verify it connects, and update the activation. In order for the integration to work, you also need to configure a custom field corresponding to the start date of any new hire. Custom fields can be found in the settings page under the recruitment heading. Here is a pre-configured example. What you choose for the title is unimportant. However, under API settings, the field API name must be start-date in order for the integration to work. Now we are ready to add a trigger to a job. Enter your desired board, click the Triggers button in the top right hand corner, click the Add Trigger button in the Hired column, and select Send Youda Candidate. You will then need to select some data related to the role being hired for. This ensures we match the candidate up to the correct Youda functionality when they first log into the app. For example, what group chats they are in and what agents they have access to. If your desired option is not in any drop-down list, you will first need to configure it within the Youda platform. Once everything has been selected, click Add Trigger. Everything is now set up to send new hires to Youda. Here is an example candidate who has already accepted a job offer. Note that the email, phone, and start date fields are all filled in. Moving them into the hired column will trigger sending the candidate to Youda. After a short while, the card will update with the result of the webhook. Here we can see the candidate has been successfully created in Youda.